Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jane, this is Station Jaya, and today we are talking about glass skin. What is it and how do we get it? No worries, I'll be showing you everything that I use to achieve glass skin every morning. I have oily skin, so this La Roche-Posay Purifying Foaming Facial Cleanser is perfect for me. It has a really nice watery gel consistency and it's pretty gentle on the skin. Okay guys, now it's time to get to work. Pull your hair back with your favorite scrunchie and let's get to it. Glass skin is skin that is so clean, that is so clear that it looks like it's been molded from glass, and you cannot achieve glass skin without a perfectly clean base. Typically in Korean skincare, you would do an oil-based cleanser first and then a water-based cleanser second, but I'm just cheating and using the same cleanser, but cleansing twice. Okay, now for the exciting stuff. I'm going in with my Numbuzin No. 3 Super Glowing Essence Toner. Say that 5 times fast. I am obsessed with this product. It has made such a big difference in my skin. It hydrates my skin after I cleanse, and it has over 50 fermented ingredients that you can typically find in more expensive skincare. It's so affordable. I got mine on Amazon, and you can get the entire Numbuzin line on Amazon, and I've linked everything in the description box below for convenience, so you guys can easily find it. Starting to glow already. Next up to bat is my Numbuzin No. 3 Skin Softening Serum. It's very lightweight and a little bit goes a long way. Don't use too much, you don't want your face to be sticky. I don't know what magic they put in this serum, but it actually does what it says it's going to do. It did soften my skin, and you're not gonna get glass skin without a smooth and even skin texture. This serum is meant to treat dry, flaky, dehydrated skin, uneven skin, and saggy pores. And I'm a fan. Within 3 days of using the serum, I saw a huge improvement to my skin. The milia that I had around my eyes and the tops of my cheek were gone, and look at that glow. To treat any existing melasma or sunspots I have on my face, I like to go in with the Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Dark Spot Corrector. It's a beautiful product. It's light pink in color and has a gel to water consistency, but one pump is all it takes. Any more than that and it can get sticky. Lightly pressing and tapping the skin helps blood flow to the face, and it also helps your products absorb more quickly. Don't forget to show your hands love. Now for the most important step in your skincare routine, sunscreen. This is the Glow Recipe SPF 50 Niacinamide Sunscreen. It's a chemical sunscreen and it is very elegant on the skin. It's very lightweight and it has absolutely no white cast. Make sure to use an adequate amount of sunscreen. I like to put 3 lines down my fingers. That's typically enough for my face, my neck, and my chest. And don't forget the ears. They don't call it Glow Recipe for no reason. The sunscreen has such a bright, vibrant, glowing finish, even when it sets down. This step is totally optional, but this will take your glow to the next level. It's the Numbuzin No. 6 Overnight Deep Sleep Mask. It's made with glacier water, and people say it's like a sheet mask in a bottle. Just a few drops will take you to the next stratosphere with your glow. It is absolutely beautiful. Again, it's lightweight in texture. A little goes a long way, and it will make you glossy and glassy. Now for the final step, I like to deeply hydrate my lips with Aquaphor Advanced Therapy. This is such a classic product. Not only does it keep my lips hydrated all day and all night long, but I also like to put it underneath my eyes to seal in moisture and moisturize my eyelashes with it as well. Here we are at the finish line and we have achieved glass skin. Our skin is plump, hydrated, glassy, and glossy. I want to thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Hopefully you had some fun, and until our next video, bye!